leaked Supreme Court draft opinion shows the Supreme Court is ready to overturn Roe v. Wade. And that's the landmark 1973 ruling which guarantees a woman's right to an abortion.
Yeah, and Chief Justice John Roberts confirming within the hour the authenticity, that is, of the draft and ordering an investigation. Lauren Blatchard is following the impact on these developments in D.C.
The protesters showed up immediately. The draft opinion leaked to Politico says the 1973 decision in Roe v. Wade was egregiously wrong from the start and must be overruled. Written by conservative Justice Samuel Alito in February, the majority opinion argues there's no constitutional right to abortion. Quote, "It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives." President Biden reacting to the report.
If this decision holds, it's really quite a radical decision.
If the draft becomes finalized, there would no longer be a federal guarantee to abortion. Instead, it would be a state-by-state decision. Marked Draft 1, it is part of the Supreme Court's decision-making process on a Mississippi law that sought to ban abortions after 15 weeks.
The Republican-appointed justices' reported votes to overturn Roe v. Wade will go down as an abomination. One of the worst, most damaging decisions in modern history.
A draft opinion has never been leaked before. Many conservatives see it as a partisan move.
This is just so outrageous that this draft opinion was leaked. It's clearly an attempt to influence the outcome.
Now that was Lauren Blanchard reporting. Let's turn now to WFXR News' Damon Reynolds. Damon, you talked with an expert about the political implications of both the leak and upcoming midterm elections here in Virginia. What can you share with us this afternoon about what you learned?
Well, Evan, Dr. Karen Holt of Virginia Tech says that we don't know exactly why these documents were leaked, but she says on one hand, conservatives could have done this to freeze justices in place, and on the other hand, this could have been leaked by the other side to signal to the people that this was coming down. Now, Hertz says regardless, this is going to have a major impact on midterm elections. Right here in Virginia in this fall, elections are coming up, and Democratic Representatives Abigail Spanberger, Elaine Loria, and Jennifer Wexton all voted to codify Roe v. Wade into federal law, which will likely be an issue in their political races. Now, Holt says this will also mobilize voters on both sides to further evaluate what's going to happen at the state and national level, creating concern for both parties in this election. Now, as for everyday people, this could affect those who view abortion as a right.
For people who think of abortion as a right, which it was under Roe versus Wade, at least a limited right, what that means then is that a right is going to depend on which state in which one lives.
Now, Holt says politics will be thrown into a more focused light on this issue, with people watching how this is handled. Now, Holt further says the disagreements on this issue needs to be handled carefully in the political space, as this is the most polarizing issue. Now, back in December, a poll was taken by the Harvard Capps Harris, and it said that 54% of Americans opposed overturning Roe versus Wade. Back to you.